Okay, Paula and Tom, this is the clock up in the testing area. This down here is actually a bag of extra parts, and that's a good thing, by the way. The old hands, the old bellows, the wire that held the old pendulum, which we didn't have. I had to change that. So this is the clock up and running. Sorry about the bad lighting, but it's in a closet I use for my testing, as you've probably seen when you were here. New hands. I'm going to move a little closer now. One of these wires is new, are the hooks for the pendulum, or the weight is hanging. Behind the weights are the pendulum and its new pendulum and hook. And again, that's a little hard to see, but running very well. We have new hands, of course, and they're quite beautiful and fit properly. The top has been repaired. Don't have the piece on the left side there. That's something that was missing, but the other piece is in good shape. I'm going to move the hands forward now and show you about how it cuckoos. I should move this back. I cleaned up the bird so you can see that he's been painted yellow, although that paint is not original. And that's how that works. Chains have been cleaned. I have about 40 or 50 pictures of all my repair work, and I'm going to send that along if you'd like, through the internet to you if you'd like to have that. You'll need to supply me with an email address or something like that. Anyways, it's up and running. It's running really good and had no problems, which is phenomenal considering all the work that was done. But I'm very good at this, and with something this complicated, usually I have to make a little adjustment here or something like that, but it's all gone fine. So I'm going to let you have this, and we'll need to get together soon, or you or Tom's brother, and we'll figure out getting it back to you. There you go.